Hi guys, good morning. Today I'll be driving into Malaysia on the west side to fish at K&R Fishing Pond. So I've been to the fishing pond before, quite a while back. I didn't get any bites, but I did see people being able to land fish then, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I am reaching the Tuas checkpoint. Motorcycles and cars. Okay, I guess just follow the signs here. It's a fairly short queue. Okay, we are finally here. Check out the broken rods, man. I think it's pretty cool. It's like a interesting concept they should do it in Singapore. It's like the battle scars and all those rods that have fought big fish and they just broke off. Very interesting concept here. Now I'm gonna head down to the counter, make payment. Maybe I'll get some food first before I start fishing. It's still too early. Actually, I wanted to get some food at the canteen, which is just behind me, but they told me they'll only come in at 12 o'clock. Yeah, so now I have some 3-in-1 coffee and just some water. I'm probably going to set up my rig first, yeah, before paying for the prawn. Then I'll go in and get some live prawn as well. Yeah, then I'll get started fishing. Yeah. So I'll catch you on the water later on. More fishing? 3 hours? Yeah, 3 jam. Prawn. How much is prawn? Udang. 1 piece, 1 ringgit. I get 10 piece. Yeah. So it's 135 total. So this is the prawn. Okay. Then this is my so-called ticket also. Yeah. So just put the prawn there. Featuring a nice Rapala shirt. He's also using a Discovery. Very solid rod. I haven't tried the Storm Discovery. You should try it. Solid, man. Ooh, nice one, bro. Good check. Saw a lot of people using jig heads, right? So I think I'm gonna try this method. a bit like a 10-year. Just hook the whole prawn on. Then it should be easy to cast as well, since I can swing all the way to the end. I think I got a bite. It's not committed yet. The line went straight and suddenly went slack. I think it's on. Oh! Fish on! Fish on, guys. Immediately when I changed to the VMC hook. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woohoo! VMC hook for the win. Oh, it's a GT. Whoa, nice, 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 nice. It's a small GT. Oh, oh, oh! Come on, stop running. Stop running. Okay. Oh damn, my first GT, man, guys. Guys, my first small GT, very small. He took the whole VMC hook, as you can see. Yeah, but it's not really swallow. I can definitely get the hook out. Yeah, so that is my first GT, man. Whew, feels good. So this is the VMC 44 grams hook. Yeah, wow, really solid hook by Rapala. Really solid. Let me this GT. Okay.
Nanti mana? Oh. Besar.
Oh.
Sangkutnya, baik, jaga. Mana pergi?
Oh. Besar. Wah. Okay guys, that is it. So in total I fished around 3 hours, exactly 3 hours over here. Only managed to land one GT, and then it was raining pretty heavy, like for a good 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, so that really affected the bite as well. But so far it's quite a good experience. So the total price, I think it is, after they return the deposit, it is about 95 ringgit. 95 ringgit before adding in the bait. Then if you want to use your own bait, you can use your own bait. If you want to use their bait, it is 1 ringgit per prawn. So I got about 8 to 10 live prawn like that, because sometimes the prawn will fly off the hook, or sometimes it will die, so you want to change the prawns as well. So a total of maybe 110 ringgit is what you can expect, not including the deposit. That is for 3 hours of fishing. So it works out to be around 30 something ringgit per hour, which I think is not a bad deal. You just come here, have a relaxing afternoon and just have fun fishing over here. Yeah, so I will be going off to do other stuff now. Maybe I'll show you some clips coming up soon of what I'll be doing for the rest of my day in JB. Okay, see you guys around. Take care. First shiny one. Area is clean as well. Ooh. Ocean blue tackle. Stopping by just for a short while to buy some stringers. ringgit stringers. Okay. This type is good because there's no swivel. Usually the swivel will tend to rust, yeah, and then it might break off. So I'll just get a couple of these. So their buffet has a limit, only 100 grams per head. Yeah. It's a lunch buffet. For the oyster, so maximum 5 per head. Yeah, so I'll probably just max out the limits and then try the rest of the stuff as well. Cool. Red. Bouncy. Try with the salt. Here at the Shell station near to the Tuas checkpoint, and it is all Singapore cars, man. It's very funny. I think at least 90% of the cars here are Singapore cars, including mine, and then there's only 1 or 2 like JB cars. So we're only allowed to pump the 97 unfortunately, but it's still much cheaper than the Singapore's rate I'm pumping right now. Thank you. Shell coffee to go. The time is about 5, around 5:40 PM in the evening. Just got my cup of latte, and then I'm ready to cross the border now. Time to head back. I don't intend on staying until very late. So it was a very restful day at crossing over to Gelang, Patah. I think quite a low-key place. I don't see many Singaporean cars around a lot inside the town. I do highly recommend that if you have some time on a weekday, you can actually drive in to Gelang Patah, get a short fishing session in, and then just explore the area like what I did. Yeah, it's pretty relaxing. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.